Hi guys, I'm Wana from the Midnight Mouse, and today we're doing a bit more different unboxing. I just purchased my first Gorjuss doll and we'll unpack her together. Oh, she is so cute, adorable, and she smells so nice. She smells like roses. I know this is a different type of doll from those that I usually unbox, but I was always curious about them, and recently one of my friends got one and I've seen her pictures and I was a bit more curious to actually touch one and see how she really is. A few years ago I had some stamps from Gorjuss when I was exploring paper crafts, and I love those so much. I really like this type of design, even if she doesn't have a face. I think this is unique and different from most of the dolls. And I was actually laughing with a friend the other day, and I was just saying that we have Gorjuss dolls, then we have anime, and then the rest of the BJDs, which do have a full and very detailed face. I think like she is the first step in terms of design. She is the most simple one. However, I do find something really sweet in her, and this is why I decided to have at least one Gorjuss doll. Her name is Ruby. She has a very soft hair in two ponytails, and I will actually name her Abigail. She will be my Abigail. I was attracted by her little red dress, which is actually closed with Velcro. Not the best. She's not articulated. She has the basic articulation in her head, shoulders, and thighs, but that's it, nothing else. She has this beautiful purse with a little kitty that can open, and we can add some books inside, or some maybe her toys. Okay, I really love her details. They're very simplified, but they're so cute. Her hands remind me of a star, for example. And let's see about her clothes. So she has this beautiful dress, underskirt, some pants, and red shoes with Velcro. Yep. Her clothes will fit Paola Reina, and also Paola Reina clothes will fit her. But I do intend to create some dresses for her. So, yes, she is my pretty Gorjuss doll, my pretty Abigail. Thank you for watching. Bye.